at Disney Springs again. Today we're going to another store, Star Wars Galactic Outpost. Are you ready? Are you ready to go in? Let's go. This will be an exciting tour of the store. Let's get to it. Wow, look at this lightsaber station. You can build your own. Due to public safety, I will not be touching that many things in the store. I can't wait to build one. Have you built one? Look at Ray's outfit. Who has a little Ray in their family? Unfortunately, my girls are too old for this outfit. Look at these figures. You got BB-8, Stormtroopers, and R2-D2. Look at this collection. R2-D2, BB-8, and the whole gang. Perfect. Ooh, look what's coming up. Look at these lightsabers. We all need a lightsaber, don't we? I think so. You should buy one for $39.99. Even better, Kylo Ren's lightsaber. Here is a Boba Fett Gallant. This looks fun. Here's a glimpse of Darth Vader's costume, and look at his lightsaber, laser axe. Pretty cool, huh? Look at these cute Ewoks. Aren't they just adorable? They want to go to your house. Please get me. Please come get me. And here's Porg from The Last Jedi. Porgers are very inquisitive creatures. How about a Yoda or a Chewie backpack? These are priced out at $69.99. We have some toys priced out at $34.99. Ooh, and look at this, Star Wars ears. Oh my gosh, so cool. I want one. Ooh, and model 3D kits. Look, cool, huh? You're going to add Millennium Falcon or X-Wing Starfighter. Some of the metal models they have in display case: BB-8, C-3PO, R2-D2, and some other ones. Here they are in the packages: TIE Fighter, Millennium Falcon, Droid package, X-Wing, and you can't forget R2-D2. Here is a talking Yoda. I just want to touch and play with all these toys. They have Empire Strikes Back toys and New Hope toys. When you buy two, they are $15 each. Here's the X-Wing fighter. T-shirt, and a Princess Leia costume with a wig, a Baby Yoda baseball cap or a T-shirt. The Force is strong with this one. Here's a closer look at the fighter jet. Here is some memorabilia. Here's a droids. Hope the glare isn't too bad, you can see it. And then we have Rey. Here is Princess Leia. Yoda. Another photo of Yoda. The droids. Not too sure how these people are. I know one of you know who these people are. Sorry about the glare. C-3PO, R2-D2, and Darth Vader. Here's an assortment of baseball caps and some more tops. This one here, the black Star Wars one, is priced out at $36.99. This t-shirt is priced out $36.99. Here is a collection of baseball caps. This sports I know from Han Solo, replying to Princess Leia saying, "I love you." Here's an assortment of mugs, cups, bags. How about more ears to your collection? You have Chewie or Yoda? Yoda is priced out at $19.99. Then you have more cups. Quite a selection there. And you have water jugs priced out at $39.99. You can't miss out on the Baby Yoda collection. Look at him. The Force is strong with this child. Yes, he is. Just so adorable. This shirt is snaps and sacks and DeLorean. Oh, look at this sad face. Oh, he needs to go home. He needs a home. Somebody come pick him up. Look at the socks, t-shirts. Oh my goodness. Look at this hat. What? How can you not get him? Seriously. Or the child? Yes. Come on now. Come get me, he says. These racks have an assortment of things. Phone covers, keychains. Look at all these keychains. These prices are coded by color as follows here. The prices are as follows. Mint, $7.99. Purple, $9.99. Red, $9.99. Teal, $12.99. Silver $9.99, blue and yellow is $12.99, and pink is $14.99. You got Darth Vader, you got Chewie, R2-D2. They're so cute. They're so cute. BB-8. Look at them all. You got pins, magnets. You have a whole bunch of assortment of items here. BB-8 dress for your little princess. Oh, and BB-8 ears. Oh, I need to buy my grandson one of these. They're so cute. Don't you think? You need one too. R2-D2, BB-8. Ooh, X-Wing fighter. Look. Mandalorian t-shirt. This is the way. $24.99. And the famous Baby Yoda. Who has a Baby Yoda? Leave a comment below. More X-Wing fighters. Here's a Star Wars tank top. Looks nice. And a button-down shirt for $59.99. Tops. The prices range from $25.99 to $36.99. And she says, "I love you." And he says, "I know." Where are you? At. I like this color green Fed Up t-shirt. Star Wars, The Rise of Skywalker. A long sleeve shirt, and how about a flannel for this cold nights where you may live. This is priced out at $64.99. Some other long sleeve shirts, I like the black one. You're in the galaxy. Check it out. Here are some other action figures. Check these out. Pretty neat, huh? Look at all the detail. That's so cool. Here's a couple more t-shirts to add to your collection. Look at this R2-D2 bag. Isn't he cute? He is $80 and you can have him. Look at Ray in the window. And that was a tour of the Star Wars store. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, leave a comment, like it, give me a thumbs up. And of course, share by all means. Thanks for watching. Oh, I think I need this shirt too.